Hailu AI is offering video generation for free until the 17th of September, so let's give it a try. First, head over to Hailu AI and register with your mail. After logging in, click on the video feature. You will notice that it shows unlimited next to the video option. Now, let me show you how it works. Upload the first frame for the starting scene, upload the last frame for the ending scene. I have uploaded both images, so now I'm ready to generate the video. For the prompt, I will write the man moves slowly to the right side of the woman. Click generate with a few moments and the results are absolutely amazing. It's unbelievable, and trust me, I'm not pretending, it really works. You can also create unlimited videos like this completely free until the 17th September. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.